Hi, good afternoon everyone. Once again, this is Anna. Today I'm going to make a video tutorial on how to secure our own blockchain wallet to avoid problem in the future, mostly hacking of account and getting trouble logging in our own blockchain wallet because you know what guys, we need to secure our own blockchain wallet before we put some fund on it. Otherwise, if in the future we forget the the identifier or the password itself, we cannot recover back our own black Bitcoin. So it is really necessary for us to secure our own Bitcoin wallet first prior or before we put some Bitcoin on it. So now let's going to begin. I will going to show one of my account to secure it properly and become a guide of you guys how to do it. So this is the official website of blockchain wallet. If you wanted to create new wallet, just click this button, create a free Bitcoin wallet, then input your email, password, and do not forget to click this small box here, check this one, and then click continue. So I'm just showing you guys how to create new blockchain wallet. So after creating that one, we need to pursue or continue the security measures that we are going to do right now. So I already had my own wallet. All I have to do now is to show you how to secure it. And let's begin. Let's click this button and then logging in. So this is one of the Bitcoin wallet identifier or ID of our blockchain Bitcoin wallet. So all you have to do is copy this one because I really do this, secure my identifier, password, and everything in a Google Sheets or in Google Docs. So I have to copy this one. So let's begin. So I have to copy this one. I'm sorry. Copy this one and then go to login. So I'm going to paste it here. Then input my password. Okay, then click signing in. So we will wait for a moment until the blockchain wallet will be opened and it will show you how does it looks like after creating our own wallet. So this is the main dashboard of blockchain wallet. So when you click this one, it will show you uh, how you are going to send a fund coming from your blockchain wallet. So like for example, this one, and then input here the blockchain wallet of like for example, certain person whom you are going to transfer your fund and then input how much BTC you wanted to transfer and the description if you really wanted to put some description on it and then click next step. So since this is not the purpose of our video tutorial, we are going to disregard this one. So if you wanted to receive also Bitcoin um, coming from other people, you should have to click this one and then this particular Bitcoin wallet address, you can click this button to copy and paste it to the person or give it to the person whom you wanted to make transaction with. So this is what we are going to do now to secure our own account. Let's begin. Click the security center. And after this one, we need to verify the Gmail first. So for us to verify the Gmail that we use or the email that we use in this account, we need to click resend verification. So it says that an email sent to our own email. So we are going to check it in our own email. So this one, you probably will receive something like this. And all you have to do is to verify. So let's check it out. So it's same. So verify your email by clicking this one. And let's wait until it is successfully done. Verifying our email. So it's done already, successful. Then after this, press close this tab and then go back to your blockchain wallet and it says your email has been verified. So next step is to secure a backup phrase. Why this one is really so important? Because every time when we forget to recover back our password, this backup phrase really had big role to retrieve back our own fund in our blockchain wallet. So for us to do this one, we need to click this backup phrase. So let's begin now again. So by clicking this one, you must have to enter your password. Okay, after entering your password, click this submit button and then click next steps. So all these four numbers you should have to copy this one and input here. Next is, let's go back and proceed the process. Next forwards, click this button and then same procedure, you must have to copy this one and input again. Okay, okay, it's done. Last but not the least is the next forwards again. So click again this one because guys, the backup array is composed of 12 uh, words. So we should have to copy this one again and input to the Google Sheets. So that's it. We have already 12 backup arrays and you need to save this one in a secure um, Google Docs or Google Files. So after this one, we return back to the process. Then next is, well, we need to click final step. So after clicking this final step, there are words in this box being asked. So we have to comply it. 7 words. So we need to go back, copy the 7 words, and put it in the box. Second word. So second word, copy, paste, and then what is it again? 12, 10 words. So we should have to copy the 10 words. Paste it, and last but not the least, the third word. So we are going to copy this one and do the same procedure. Then click finish. Okay, you have back appraisal ready. So you look, you have some Bitcoin in your imported wallet. So imported. So as he said, it has some more Bitcoin. So we should have to transfer now. Okay. So it's done. So after this one, that's all the procedure regarding securing our account, email, using email, and the backup raise. So now, every time you logging in, this security password will going to be sent or security link will going to be sent in your email. So I hope this video tutorial will going to be a big help for you guys to process and secure your own blockchain wallet. So let's going to try this out. So it's going to sign out. Okay, just click no thanks. And so, okay, let's wait until it's done. And we need to Try it again. Click this, they authorize the browser. So you should have to always click this one and then done. So we are going to try to log in again. So click login. And then there's a word pop up here. Please check your email to approve this login attempt. So meaning, if these words pop up here, your account is already secured. So you should have to check your email, then go to the inbox, and then here it is. Blockchain Wallet will going to send you an authorized login default link. So click this one, and then wait until everything will be done. Okay, checking in. Okay, then go back to your blockchain wallet. While this circle here trying to log in back. So we already had confirmed. Okay, now it goes like this. So every time you log in, there's the authorization link sent to your email. So always check it out, and then there though the procedure that I already had shown here in this video. So I hope guys this one will going to help you out, as I said, to secure your blockchain wallet and give protection to your own Bitcoin fund. So once again, this is Anna. Good day and be more Bitcoin rich.